The dog days of summer are coming to an end. Let's take a look at the market as we get ready for the post-holiday period. Okay, friends, let's take a look at the market as we head into the 4th of July holiday. First up, here's the market, same way we've always been looking at it. Red line is the S&P 500, purple is the 200-day moving average, gold is the 50-day moving average. As you can see, not a whole lot happened in the last week. Market's just kind of hanging out at all-time highs. And I expect that to continue for a little bit. One of the things that we talked about previously is we're sort of in the dog days of summer. You can see this in volume, not a whole lot of trading going on. And I think it's going to continue that way at least until we get past the 4th of July holiday, which is coming up. Crazy how this year is just flying by. However, when we get to the other side of the 4th of July holiday, I am expecting the temperature to rise pretty quickly on the market. And one of the reasons why, that's not to say it's going to go up, down, or sideways, but I just think that this doldrum of trading that we're dealing with is going to end. But one of the reasons why I think that is, if I look at the most recent earnings that just came out, I've got 3 here on the screen. We've got Walgreens in red, we've got Nike in orange, and we've got Levi Strauss here in yellow. And it was interesting to see, their report on earnings. Basically, all 3 came out and said, our customer is challenged, future guidance is going to be tough to keep. These are all the things that we've been talking about, right? The economy is slowing down and the consumer is pulling back. And these are 3 consumer names, each one for different reasons, right? Levi's has some exposure to China. Nike has some exposure to China. Levi's is kind of like workwear, blue collar exposures. Walgreens got that shrinkage, theft thing going on. So each for different reasons, but I expect we're going to see more of this because once we get done with the 4th of July, then we're going to move into the second quarter earnings season. And that's where I think that the slowdown is going to be pretty prominent. It's going to be pretty obvious by that point in time that the economy and the consumer is slowing down. What this means for the market, well, I don't know just yet, because remember, so much of the market is held up by the Magnificent Seven, and these businesses are unregulated monopolies, and they float above the business cycle. So for regular businesses in the economy, I think we're going to see a heck of a lot of charts that look like this. As for the market, I don't know. I'm reserving judgment. We'll see how the Magnificent Seven report. So there you go. Market looks good. We're at all-time highs. We're going to cruise into the 4th of July holiday. And then after that, I'm expecting some fireworks. We'll see you next week for the news review. Enjoy your weekend. Okay, friends, that was the video. Hope you liked it. If you found it informative, good, entertaining, I'd love if you could scroll down here beneath the video and give me a like there. It helps us out with the algorithm. And then if you want to be notified first of anything new that we upload to the channel, if you come over here, click subscribe, you'll be the first to know as soon as we upload anything. Appreciate it. See you soon.